Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm trying something different today for recording. So I'm not sure that it's working. I'm using a different mic. I'm using my webcam. So hopefully this will work out. This is just some notes that I was taking while I was away. But I'm going to be planning in my From Scratch planner, which is a B6 Traveler's Notebook that is holding a modified dot grid notebook from Walmart, from one of the Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook sets. So this is last week. I did the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge prompt, which was so fabulous. This week, I'm not going to do a prompt. I'm going to be using what I have left of this kit from Isis Ella Jewels. So have the days of the week, and then a few deco pieces, and then this double box, which I'm not sure I'll be using the double box, but definitely the days of the week and the deco, maybe these boxes. I think I want to keep this more simple so that I can have even more room to write, since this is my social media planner and I do need to note quite a few things. So before the date numbers, I'm going to use these date dots that I created. I pulled out these metallic look half boxes that I may use. I pulled out these social media stickers that I also might use, and then the Monday through Sunday strips that I may use. It also has some boxes and some dots. So that's everything that I've pulled. Oh, no. And then last but not least, I have the washi tape that I pulled out. This kit is kind of neutral, which I'm really more into color lately, but I'm going to try and make it work with the neutrals. Since the washi tape has the foil on it, I think that will help it pop a little bit. This washi tape is also from Isis Ella Jewels. These bow washis are from Simply Gilded. So let's start with this at the top. Oh, well, let's take the notebook out first so that it can work a little better. And I hope that the audio is good. I always have a problem with the mic that I'm using. I don't really know how to work it that well yet. So do I want to skip a page? Because I do have some things besides weekly spreads that I would like to put in here, but I'm not going to for now. I'm just going to go ahead and put the washi down. Okay, so that's it for washi for now. Then I'm going to start laying down my days of the week. I'm going to start with Wednesday. I really hope this is recording. I think these dates are put down crooked, but I did the best I could do. Okay, so I think it is recording the sound. Maybe I need to turn the volume up a little bit, but I'm gonna leave it for now. Okay, so that is our basic layout. I always forget to put Sunday down, so let's do it. So this is the week of the 12th through the 18th. And I'm going to use these date dots. And I'm going to try and put them beside. Wednesday makes it hard to do that because the word is so long. It leaves less space than the other days of the week. So that's a little tip. If you are trying to align something for the days of the week, I always start with Wednesday because it's the longest word as far as the days of the week go. So if you start with Wednesday, then you'll know that everything else will fit. So, just saying. I'm putting them over a little bit because I knew Wednesday was going to be over a little bit so that it will have some type of consistency. Saturday's pretty long too. Okay. So like I said, this one isn't going to be a lot. I know in my other from scratch spreads, I used to put washi down the columns. I don't know that I want to do that anymore, but what I might do is put some across this middle area. That way I'll have short spaces on the days because I don't think I need all of this space. And I'll have the shorter space for the days, and then I'll have room to just write notes or whatever I need to write at the bottom. So let's start with that. Plus I can put a little deco down here. I could even use the full box or the double box down there. So I'm just going to try and center this washi. I hope my mic is not picking up that noise. Okay. Now I can see that that is so crooked. Monday and Tuesday. Let's see if I can fix that. See, some of this I can't see when the paper is laying flat on my desk. I didn't even notice. I knew something was off, but maybe I should start drawing some lines to guide me a little better. I'm gonna use the black since I haven't used any yet. Monday through Sunday. Strips. And then, is that gonna fit without interfering with Sunday? I may not be able to use that, or I could put it right. No, I'll save these for my other planner. I'm gonna put her right here. Put her down here. And even though this isn't really relative to this planner, I think I can add this and be okay. Just gonna put it right there. Let's put it here. So this is gonna be a very plain-ish spread. Use Instagram here. And then YouTube. Did I do any black YouTube? Yes. And YouTube kind of next to it. And then I'm gonna put one of these boxes here. Maybe I should do this on Sunday. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this box here on Sunday. One on Saturday. No, I need to put it on Friday. Because what I can do is use these for YouTube videos or notes. And then Wednesday and then Monday. Why can't I lay down a straight sticker? Okay, then I need to really start working on my other channel. I have just pretty much let it fall by the wayside. But let's see. I'm gonna put this on Tuesday. And this on, Thursday. And this on Tuesday. And I'm going to put something on. I don't think changing color is a good idea in the middle of the game. So I won't do that, at least not to another metallic. What I want to do is make myself some little icon stickers so I can put YouTube, 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 or whatever. And then Instagram, or whatever the case may be. It's always hard for me when I'm using neutrals. So I'm not really, I like black and white, but like the browns and tans, it's just not my thing. It's hard for me to work with them. I always feel like it's just blah. You need something to spice it up. But this is for a productive planner, supposed to be. So let's add a little something to it. I'm going to use this Create a Beautiful Mess sticker. I can get one off from Made with Southern Love. Put that on Saturday. Let's see if these are some of my older stickers. I don't go too much. Let's see, we can put a little camera in between. See, most of the stickers that I have are for like home and bills and things like that, personal, not really made for just generic use. And I remember people used to complain about that. At the time, I couldn't relate. But I can kind of relate now that it's difficult to find good stickers that are just generic without a specific task or role in mind. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I hope you get what I'm saying. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for the setup. It's very simple. I just used one of the kits from Isabella Jewels, and let's pop this back in, see what we've got. From the center, slide it on the band. So this is what we've got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.